So what can we grow in October? Well, I'm Ray and I'm going to show you what we can sow on the vegetable garden during October. So let me show you. So we're in October, it's a bit nippy now, might have to get the old winter clothes on, but there's still a few things we can sow in October, so let me show you. So garlic can be planted the end of September right through to November, and the saying goes, plant on the shortest day and harvest on the longest day. So I've spoken to the garlic farm on the Isle of Wight, which is just across the water from us, and they've had good results in their chalk whites, which is a soft neck, and rhapsody white, which is a hard neck, and we've always grown solent white, which is a soft neck. We've always had good results, but this year the garlic we're doing is Marco, and there's a video of how to grow garlic, and I'll put a link above. So in October we can start our onion sets, and there's a few varieties we can choose from, such as Radar and Electric, and we've got Autumn Champion, and we bought a big bag full from the local nursery, and these only cost a couple of pounds for 2 big bags. So all we need to do is go through checking if there's any duff ones, any little ones we can leave out, and then we get our compost with a tray. We fill up the seed tray and we put our sets into the compost, roots down, tops up. They can be sown directly into the bed depending on the weather of your region, but they do require some kind of cover, some kind of netting if sown directly outdoors, as the birds think they're a worm and they give it a pull and tug them out of the ground. So it's always a good opportunity to start them off in a cell tray and get underway a lot earlier. So along with the onions, we've also got shallots, and these can be planted in October, November, and these are the shallots that I've grown, and I've got them in the shed storing off. We're going to separate these, and we can plant these again in October or November, and we get another great supply of shallots next year. So broad beans can also be sown in October, and there are varieties of aqua, dulce, claudia, and this one, which is the sutton, and this is a dwarf broad bean. These can be sown October and November, and already sprouting and producing great roots already. And last year we had the broad beans growing in the polytunnel, and we were eating them for Easter dinner. So early start, early crop, which is a great idea. So we can also do some hardy peas, and the variety we have here is Sutton, and it's the first early variety, can be sown in spring and also in autumn, and it's a dwarf variety and has rather full pods, and it's great for growing in the autumn and a good source of vitamin C, K and B1. So spring onions can be sown in October, and we've got varieties of perormer and white lisbon. And white lisbon is great for successional sowing and very hardy. So we can sow mustard all year round, and this can be ready to eat within 5 days. Basil can be sown in October, and we've got a tray of basil growing here, which has been a bit slow, but it's getting there. And salad leaves can be sown in October, along with mizuma and textile greens. We've also got speedy mix, and this was sown 1 week ago. And it's already looking pretty crazy, heading for the light. We can even sow some cauliflowers, and this is the cauliflower all year round. This is Britain's most popular cauliflower. So there's still a few things that we can still grow and sow on the allotment in October. And if there's anything I haven't mentioned, leave me a comment below and let me know what you're growing. I've been watching these grapes for days, and it's time that I tried one. You know what? That tastes like a real grape. Amazing. Take care now. Cheers.